Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called Get Upside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for Get Upside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the #1 channel in the world for gig drivers. If you drive for Uber, Lyft, or Instacart, this is one of the top channels. My name's Dylan. I'm an Uber driver, Lyft driver, Instacart shopper, DoorDash driver, Postmates. I do pretty much all the apps, at least try them out, test them out, and then we also have other people on this channel too who talk about their experience for other apps too, so it's not just me. But today's video, we're talking about how Instacart has changed the batch delivery or the batch acceptance process again. This is absolutely bonkers to the max. This is off the radar charts, guys. This is off the Richter scale. Things like these don't happen frequently in my experience. I've never seen an app be so confused with the way that shoppers can accept batches, with the way their drivers can work for them. This has been absolutely crazy. If you guys don't know, their whole app was hijacked by these third-party apps that were stealing batches and selling them. And so they changed their batch acceptance process, and then they just changed it again. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you're new to Instacart, basically the way it works is when you sign up, let's just say for Uber and Lyft, when you go online, they send you a ride, and you can either accept it or deny it. But on Instacart, when you go to accept a batch or delivery, they don't send you anything. You have to go to their batch section. There's 5 of them out there, and you click which one you want. Right? Sounds cool. You don't need to like deny batches ever. But these like weird little apps somehow hacked into Instacart, took all of the batches, and then started selling them to people who can't sign up for Instacart, either because they're undocumented, you know, they can't get a job, or they're not a US citizen, they got deactivated from Instacart. Basically anybody who can't get hired by Instacart, they'll go through these third-party apps, and then they'll pay money to these apps, and then that app will give them the batches that are meant for, you know, people who sign up through Instacart. So that was a problem for a really long time. You know, because obviously if you're shopping for Instacart, you want to get your batches. So basically, yeah, I'll get into everything really quick. Use the link down below for Get Upside. If you're watching this video and you do not use Get Upside and you're still paying full price for gas, just do me a quick little favor, or do yourself a favor. Click the link down below. It's gonna be the first link for an app called Get Upside. If you use my link though, you get up to 40 cents off your first fill up. So you know, you might get $4 or $5 back. And then your money goes into the app, and you can redeem that money for PayPal. I get it straight to my PayPal. They have a bunch of gift cards like Amazon, Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, etc. Cool. Gift cards are great. I like cash. I prefer cash. I do PayPal. I used to do the Amazon thing because I was like, I buy stuff on Amazon anyway, but you can do just money to your PayPal, so it goes directly to your account. Cool stuff. So yeah, just use the link down below, and then the first fill up is 40 cents, and then in the future it's up to 25 cents off per gallon every time you fill up. So yeah, you can make a lot of money with that. Okay, moving on. So yeah, let me just show you guys the email really quick. This is the I got this email today. This was breaking news. Update to batch acceptance pilot. Hi shopper, thanks for being part of our batch acceptance pilot. So I actually chose me. I'm sure that Instacart watches my videos, and you know, they found my account and decided to test out this new program with me. And so I was able to see, like, they were sending me batches. But look at this. We're continuing to learn and make improvements in the batch acceptance experience to ensure shoppers have the best possible way to accept batches. While we work to enhance this experience, we're winding down this pilot. So essentially what they did to kind of, I'm assuming, to fix the whole bot problem of apps stealing batches, they said, okay, well, we're only gonna send you one batch, delivery, whatever, grocery delivery, and you have, I think it was 60 or 30 seconds, and only you, it's reserved for you, and only you can accept the batch or deny the batch, and then you can move on. And I'm assuming they did that and found that a lot of shoppers were saying, oh my god, I don't want this $9 delivery, so they deny it. And then people were denying 2, 3, 4, 10 batches in a row. So it was like, each of those are 60 seconds. So it was probably taking a lot, they were probably getting shoppers doing a lot less batches that way. So now they're going back. Look at this, guys. From the list view, you can see currently, okay, while we were starting tomorrow, you will return to selecting batches from the list view. I think just because shoppers were so used to seeing the pool of batches that they were getting confused. But I mean, it's only been a few days. I can't believe they're already changed their mind. Again, I haven't seen an app like this, one of these gig apps, be so unorganized. And also, if you go to, like, let's go to their social media account. Let's go to their Instagram really quick. Guys, watch this, Instacart. I guarantee you that I'm gonna click on their first photo and see hella complaints. Please load, bruh. Bruh, I have 4 bars, load, bro. If this doesn't load, okay guys, you might have to go to Instacart's Instagram. Look how many complaints they get, but from both shoppers and from, I'm trying to post a TikTok too. Maybe I just don't have service over here. From both shoppers and customers, people who get, or who are just leaving hella complaints. They have such bad customer service. From the list view, you can see currently available top batches and decide which one you would like to shop. We'll continue to show available batches based on factors such as your average star rating. Oh wow, so they send you batches based on your star rating. Oh, I did not know that. Distance, delivery time, and eligibility such as alcohol or prescription certification. You can visit the list of batches by tapping batches available from the shopper app dashboard. So let's check it out really quick just to confirm so you guys can all see what it looks like again. So basically the way it worked is you would go online and then they would send you a bunch of batches. But now, I hope this even loads, bruh. Bruh, my freaking service here, bro. If I had to do batches right now, I would have to drag. Okay, 6 available batches. I have to answer, I'm sure this is about COVID-19. Yeah, have you? No, I haven't been. No. Submit questionnaire. Yes, I confirm. We're glad to hear you're doing well. Okay, can I look at the batches now? 11. Yeah, I mean, so I'm assuming like they would send out a batch like this, the 785 one, and people go, no way, I'm not accepting that one. They go, no, okay, and then they would get the $10 one. Look at this, 20 bucks for once. This is a 2 full service order. Oh, that one was just taken. Yeah, I mean, these are not very good batches. $11, $10, 15. Let's see if any good ones pop up. But you guys see how fast people take these. 15 bucks. 9 miles though. You're driving a long ways for that one. Honestly, I don't know if I would take any of these batches. I might wait for a bigger batch. These are a lot of really bad batches. 1054, 2 full service orders. No, thank you. You have to drive, guys. By the way, when you see 2 full service orders, I didn't know that at first, but you have to drive to 2 different houses and do 2 different orders in the app, in the grocery store, and those are not very fun unless you're getting paid a lot. But for $10, no, thank you. No way, Jose. Yeah, I mean, at this point, I'll probably just wait to see if a bigger one comes in. But anyways, guys, that's the big update. They changing back to the way they did it, so they got yeah, they went back. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you prefer this way or the other way. I prefer the other way, but hey, it's gone. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to use the link down below for Get Upside to save up to 40 cents off per gallon every single time you fill up, or the first time you fill up gas, and then up to 25 cents off per gallon in the future as well. So yeah, you could save a lot of money driving or using this app called Get Upside. Use my link and code to get that bonus. Yeah, because gas is expensive, and why pay full price for gas? We can just use my code and link and start getting cash back, money sent back into your account. It's a no-brainer. All right, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.